The experiments conducted at this lab would not have been possible just a few years ago, says co-founder of Zymergen, Joshua Hoffman.
The machine finds stuff in the biology that a human would never find.
Zymergen uses computers to design experiments that manipulate the genes of microbes so the chemicals they produce can make stronger or better materials.
We use automation and machine learning to engineer microbes, little single-cell creatures, to turn them into the chemical factories of the future. I would say the bulk of our work is with chemical and materials and with agricultural companies. We can work to increase the effectiveness of crop protection agents, so herbicides, fungicides, those sorts of things.
Instead of enhancing microbes, theoretical neuroscientist Vivian Ming speaks extensively about improving the human brain.
What I'm interested in is cognitive neuroprosthetics. Can I literally jam something in your brain and make you smarter? How much you can think about, pay attention to, mentally operate on at any given moment, we've actually found that we can increase that by about 15%.
Labs around the world are already conducting research on different types of external, non-invasive brain stimulation, some of which could improve the brain's cognitive abilities. Ming says one application is to level the playing field for underprivileged children.
For that hour that they may be spending in a remedial class, we might actually be able to use a technology that brings them right back up with the rest of the kids.
In the early 1900s...
Inspired by biology, Hyungjun Park and his company Catalog make synthetic DNA used to store digital data.
We, as a society, are generating so much data with 5G wireless networks, Internet of Things, high-definition video, and just social media. By the year 2025, we're going to generate a lot more data and a lot more useful data than we'll have the capacity to store. And so we are in need of a new medium that can be much more efficient than the current solutions.
Park says in contrast to current forms of data storage, DNA can store much more information that can last thousands of years. And Park's company has figured out how to do it less expensively than other labs.
It's a liquid solution that you move around to assemble different pieces of DNA. And then for storage, we would dry that down so that it's a powder in any tube that you were storing it in.
As scientists from various subfields of biology take advantage of artificial intelligence, investors are paying attention.
These traditional investors in the Silicon Valley area that's been invested in investing in tech companies that are now looking at biotech and seeing this as really the future of innovation.
Innovations that turn science fiction into scientific fact. Elizabeth Lee, VOA News, Los Angeles.